I'm bringing a new series to you. I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 favorite products from Amazon for this week. And most of these products I have not shared anywhere else. You are going to be the first to know. And these are goodies from all different categories. No matter where you live, it's important to have a good pair of boots, particularly a black set. These are a high-end look for less, and they're from one of my favorite brands on Amazon. They make such good quality shoes at affordable prices. These are the Dream Pairs boots. I have, I don't know, maybe 15 different pairs of Dream Pairs boots, or maybe 20. I don't know, a lot. Not just boots, but shoes in general. They make all kinds of shoes. Short shoes, high heel shoes, mule shoes. But these boots are so stinking comfortable. They are true to size. I'm a 7.5. Sometimes I have to size up, but I have not had to in these, and I could even wear a thicker sock inside should I want to. They are so comfortable. You can walk around, you can go shopping, you can do really anything, and they're gonna go with almost any outfit. They come in a couple different color options, and currently at the time of filming, they are on sale. I shared this goodie, I don't know, several months ago. I'm loving it, this OWALA tumbler. I use it every single day, and I could not help myself. I was doing research for a #1 new release video and a customer's most loved video, and guess what? The OWALA tumbler popped right on there. Now, I opted for this color because sometimes this one's dirty. I don't want to have to wash it. I want to grab this one. This is a pink and white version. This is under $30 at the time of filming, so this would make an excellent Valentine's Day gift or Mother's Day gift as well. But it is so stinking cute. It is easy to wash. It is truly leak-proof. I have put contents in here and tipped it upside down with the lid closed. Of course, you just slide this baby over and it will not leak, which is amazing. It fits perfectly in your cup holder. It's easy to carry. It's easy to go anywhere, and it's so chic. You know I love a good lip set. This is hands down my absolute favorite right now, and it's around $9 or $10. Dun, dun, dun. I currently have it on my lips right now. I've been having it on for several hours, and it's still staying put. Now, I have something similar to this, but it's a matte lipstick. They do call this a matte lipstick, but it feels more moisturizing to me than a matte lipstick, but I love that it comes with the liner, and it also comes with the very smooth, sort of silky lipstick, if you will. So many beautiful colors, so versatile. And what's also nice about this, yes, it has been staying, but I can wipe it off if I'm going to be eating something, because a lot of lipsticks will say that they stay on for a long time. However, if you are to eat something, you got lipstick like half on your lip, half on your lip. So I need lipstick that I can easily take on and off, but is also gonna stay. I know that seems sort of like an oxymoron, but this one fits the bill. So pretty. These sweaters, oh my word. Now when it comes to a sweater, I love a more relaxed fit, if you will. So I ordered these in a size medium. I've already washed these up. There are 2 different color options in addition to these ones currently on the Amazon listing, but this right here paired with black skirt, black pants, white, so stinking gorgeous, and they're a nice, beautiful material. This just screams spring to me. I'm bringing these to you here right now because 1, I'm loving them this week, and 2, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, or the month of February, where we tend to dress things a little bit brighter, pinks and reds and purples. So these are wonderful. This brown jacket slash blazer, such excellent quality. These are so popular right now. I love them in the wintertime. You can put them over a sweater dress like this. You can wear them over the sweaters that I just showed you. That would also look super cute. So you can use it as a layer, but you could also use it as a jacket depending upon where you are. It can really elevate an outfit. What's also nice about these jackets, 1, the fit is nice. I opted for a size small and it fits perfectly. 2, they come in a lot of different color options. And well, 3, these are going to transition really nicely into the springtime, into summer, into fall. So versatile. I do not yet have every single color blazer in my wardrobe, but that is my ultimate goal because they just go with so many different things, and they are more popular now than ever before. Oh, I'm just looking right now. They have a really beautiful red color, which gorgeous, not just for Valentine's Day, but red. Oh, looks so good. Oh, this workout set. Now, all the pieces were sold separately. The leggings, the sports bra, and then the wrap top, if you will. Each piece is so affordable. Currently, at the time of filming, they're around 26 bucks. My friend, the quality is almost exact to like a Lululemon material and the fit. Now, a Lululemon piece, a bra or a legging is gonna cost you up to $100 and sometimes even more. These are great for lounging around your house, for working out in, for doing Pilates in. The bra is so so stinging comfortable, and the back is so beautiful. They come in a ton of different color options, which I love them all. I currently have the royal blue set. I call it a set, but you do have to buy them separately. Currently on my way to my house, I do have some packages over there that I'm excited to rip open to see if it came, but I opted for the red version. They do have a brighter red option, which is really beautiful as well. So good, such good quality. And I know many of us are trying to get in better shape as we move into 2026 and beyond. And if you are new here, I do have a YouTube fitness channel called Elite Fit with Andrea with free at-home workouts. Free at-home workouts where you would need absolutely no equipment to do. These earring backs, I try to get you the best footage for them, but heavy earrings, these larger ones are quite popular right now, and it's harder to find lightweight earrings that are chunky, if you know what I mean. Now, these are a little heavier than I would typically opt for, but they are so stinking cute. So I found these backs on Amazon that will secure your earring much better within your earring hole, if you will. They're not drooping, they're better set in there. They feel more secure. Now, after almost 41 years of wearing earrings, well, not quite 41, I didn't get my ears pierced when I was a baby, but quite a long time, you know, your holes start to stretch out, and these have definitely helped keep the shape of that hole when wearing an earring that is a bit heavier. So these are a diamond in the rough, if you will. I've never heard anyone else talking about these, and they popped up on Amazon. Like, Amazon knew this was like an issue in my life. It's like, yes. They call these bling guards. Now, there are other sets sold on Amazon that are very similar, but the price point on these is awesome, and they do exactly what they say they're supposed to do. A viral high-end look for less are these mules. Now, high-end retailers, you're gonna get these for over $100. On Amazon, these are a fraction of the cost, and they are super comfortable. They just scream, gorgeous, put me on your feet. There are so many different ways that you can style these. My favorite way to style them are with a dress pant, so you can dress them up or you can dress them down. They are so stinking cozy. I follow all the Instagrammers that have millions of followers that do truly designer looks, and then I go and try to find a more cost-effective version on Amazon, and these were one of them. They're so soft. I wish you could feel them right now through the camera. The puffer shoulder bag. Now, I have a larger puffer bag, which I love. You can put a lot of stuff in there, but because it's so large, things tend to get lost in there, so I wanted something that was a bit smaller. Now, you can adjust this strap to make it longer or shorter, depending if you want a shoulder bag or you want a cross-body bag, but you can put a lot in here. You could even hook something here on the outside. I love the black because black goes with everything. But if you are sporting the sporty mom look, leggings, some tennis shoes, some scrunch socks, maybe a really cute, I don't know, top, plain top, and then a vest over top, you know, that sort of look, this is the perfect handbag to go with because it's so stinking cute. It fits everything that you could probably possibly need and more. This will also be excellent for travel. I am doing an Amazon travel must-haves video here very soon, but this is something that I would definitely include in there. Wipes clean easily. It does come in a variety of different colors, and the price point on this is so good. So you have that really cute puffer look, which is still trending right now. You can hold all your stuff, but it's easier to find and it's way more versatile. This last one is a little unconventional, but you know, I love me some good organizing, and it may help you solve a problem that you experience. This clothes rack. Maybe your closet's feeling a little cluttered. Maybe you are transitioning clothes from summer to spring to fall, and you want to move things in and out, but you want to keep things nice and organized. This clothes rack, now granted, I use it for my work, for all the filming and Amazon Lives and all of that, but if I did not do all that, I would still want this clothes rack for a variety of reasons. It is large. It also has a shelf at the bottom, so you can put shoes on there, you can put handbags on there. It's a functional space. A lot of clothes racks on Amazon don't have that. It's just a bar, which is really you know, it's not really making good use of your space. It also has two hooks on the end, so you could put purses on there, you could put robes on there, you could put things that you're gonna be wearing the next day, just set it aside from everything else on the rack. So if you've been looking for more space, you wanna organize things a little bit better, this rack is awesome, especially considering the price point. I go live on Amazon every Sunday currently at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time and every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, so be sure to join me and follow my Amazon storefront so you never miss out. Also be sure to follow on Instagram at AndreaJeanCo, especially Instagram stories, because I share every single day behind the scenes, daily deals, and so much more. Let me know your favorite product in that comments box below of my current 10 obsessions for this past week. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.